हे देयर, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। तो आज का टॉपिक है इंटरनल जुगुलर वेन। तो इंटरनल जुगुलर वेन इज द डायरेक्ट continuation of the sigmoid sinus, one of the dural venous sinuses. So here in the picture, this is the dural venous sinus, that is the sigmoid sinus, and this internal jugular vein exits from the jugular foramen. पिक्चर के अंदर दिस इज द जुगुलर फोरामेन बिहाइंड द ईयर। अब ये मेरा बेसिक डायग्राम है वेन का। एंटीरियर व्यू लेंगे तो कुछ ऐसा दिखेगा एंटीरियरली नेक के अंदर। द ओरिजिन एंड टर्मिनेशन प्रेजेंट्स विद टू डायलिटेशंस। द डायलिटेशन प्रेजेंट एट द ओरिजिन The dilatation present at the origin is called the superior bulb, which lies in jugular fossa of temporal bone beneath floor of middle ear. The dilatation present at the termination is called the inferior bulb, which is in the lesser supraclavicular fossa, and these are the jugular foramens. This is the jugular foramen. Now let's look at its tributaries, the main tributaries. This is the middle thyroid. उसी के ऊपर is the superior thyroid. मिडल से ऊपर superior आएगी, फिर उसके ऊपर एक और ब्रांच होएगी, ट्रिब्यूटरी होएगी। टू ट्रिब्यूटरीज इकट्ठे आएंगी, एक का नाम है lingual, अगली का नाम है common facial. Next one is the pharyngeal branch or the pharyngeal tributary, and the last, which is straight into the dilatation, is the inferior petrosal sinus. This is the superior vena cava, which further divides into two branches, the left brachiocephalic and the right brachiocephalic. Further, these brachiocephalic branches give a small branch or small branches known as the vertebral vein. The vertebral vein, अगर आगे हम इसको और फर्दर बढ़ाएं और यहाँ से एक और ब्रांच निकलती है, दोनों में से एक और ब्रांच निकलती है जिसको हम कहते हैं एक्सटर्नल जुगुलर वेन. These are the external jugular vein. So, as I have told you earlier, the superior vena cava is divided into two branches. So this is the inferior bulb from the origin. ऊपर जाते हैं तो यहाँ पर इसकी मेन ट्रिब्यूटरीज आ जाती हैं। लेफ्ट के अंदर देखो, द मिडल थायरॉयड वेन्स, सुपीरियर थायरॉयड, लिंगुअल वेन्स, कॉमन फेशियल वेन्स, pharyngeal veins, and the inferior petrosal sinuses. This is the jugular foramen. तो डायलिटेशन जुगुलर फोरामेन में ही होती है, एंड दीज आर द लेफ्ट एंड द राइट sigmoid sinuses. And the blood drains from the superior to the inferior, that is from the sinuses to the superior vena cava. This is the external jugular vein, जो कि brachiocephalic का ही एक ब्रांच है, डायरेक्ट वहीं से कनेक्ट होती है. These are the thoracic ducts. The thoracic ducts opens into the junction between the left internal jugular and left subclavian and right lymphatic duct to the right side simultaneously. इकट्ठे ये अपनी ड्रेनेज देते हैं. Jumping on to the learning trick, the mnemonics of the internal jugular vein. इसका mnemonic है, medical schools let confident people in, और ये mnemonics will go from inferior to superior, यानी कि inferior bulb से superior bulb तक. M stands for the middle thyroid, S stands for superior thyroid, L stands for lingual, C stands for common facial, P stands for pharyngeal, and I stands for inferior petrosal sinus, which is in the jugular foramen. अब इसकी applied anatomy देखते हैं. This is the most important topic, the applied anatomy of the internal jugular vein. The internal jugular vein is commonly used for central venous access for measuring pulmonary artery pressure. Because this vein is easily accessible, this can help in recording of venous pulse tracings and can also be cannulated by direct puncture in the interval between sternal and clavicular heads of the sternocleidomastoid muscle. Now, this vein can also be used for prolonged intravenous feeding and for introduction of cardiac pacemaker, because internal jugular vein is a continuation of brachiocephalic vein, which is the continuation of superior vena cava, which originates from the right atria जहाँ पर pacemaker लगना होता है. Secondly, this vein can be dilated or engorged in cases of congestive cardiac failure और any other disease जहाँ पर venous pressure raise हो रहा है, यानी कि हम vasodilators देकर we can dilate this vein. So this is the picture that depicts the insertion of vasodilators. Thank you for watching. Bye.